Ninja BC151BK Blast Portable Blender Review, Portable Power for Smoothies on the Go. The Ninja BC151BK Blast Portable Blender brings Ninja's renowned blending power to a compact, cordless design. Ideal for making smoothies, shakes, and frozen drinks wherever you are, this portable blender has an 18-ounce capacity that's perfect for individual servings. Features and design. With Ninja Blast technology, this blender uses a ribbed vessel and durable blast blade assembly to create a powerful vortex, blending frozen ingredients smoothly. It's battery-powered with a rechargeable 7.4V USB-C base, making it convenient for trips, commutes, or the gym. Plus, the one-speed digital touch control is easy to use, while the BPA-free, dishwasher-safe parts simplify cleanup. A standout feature is the sip lid with a hinged carry handle, allowing you to blend and drink from the same container without the mess. Its compact and lightweight design, weighing only 1.73 pounds, adds to the portability, and the option to choose from multiple colors is a nice personal touch. Performance. The Ninja BC151BK is surprisingly quiet for a portable blender, allowing for discreet use, whether at home or on the go. While some users note that the battery life may not be ideal for extended or frequent use, it should be sufficient for quick blends. Pros and cons. Pros. Cordless, rechargeable with USB-C, and portable. Dishwasher-safe parts for easy cleaning. Effective blending power for frozen ingredients. Quiet operation. Cons. Limited battery life for frequent use. Single-speed operation only. Overall, the Ninja BC151BK Blast Portable Blender is a fantastic option for on-the-go users looking for power and convenience. Its compact design, portability, and strong blending capabilities make it a worthwhile addition for personal blending needs. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.